morning. It is August 18th, I believe. We are up here in Daytona, checking out the boat. We'll be up here for several days, until Sunday. It is Friday morning, and let's see, we got a few things planned. We're gonna wash the boat for one, because as you saw in the trip up video, it was quite dirty, so we'll get it washed. And to that end, we're going to be installing a pressure washer with a reel. Right there's the pressure washer box. We'll be installing that, but Jeanne is going to finish off the floor of the shower, or at least attempt to finish off the floor of the shower. And I'm going to be working on putting up window film on the windows out here. So I'm going to get busy with that, and y'all can watch. I'll leave you in the nice air-conditioned area as I clean it. Later. Oh yeah, that looks good. Jeanne painted at the bottom of this, and then we have faux stone material that we're going to put down on it, and then we have some teak grates go on top of that. We also brought from home some of the magma pots and pans. We got those back at Christmas time. Started doing a little bit of cooking now that we're spending more time on the boat. Clean those windows over there. Jeanne's finished up painting. I'm going to open up the pots and pans. There is the wrapping. Got a couple handles here. Take those out. Yeah. And then I think this whole thing lifts out by these stretchy cords. Well, maybe not. Okay. So that's everything in that box. Your use and care manual. And let's see. These are non-stick. Never use any non-stick cookware without cooking oil or liquids, regardless of the manufacturer's claim. Used without cooking oil will eventually reduce the performance of the non-stick and void the warranty. Okay. Let's see, how do the handles work? Let's see, there's a button on the handle. Oh yeah, there's the locking pin. And pull it in, and you go from the bottom up. Yeah, that makes sense. That way, even if you release it, it's not coming off, just if you turn it upside down. A little bit of wiggle, but just grip it really nice. Good weight to it. And this is stainless steel plus magnetic induction. So apparently it will work with an induction. So that's good. That's the handle there. Second handle looks. Yep. Both handles are the same. Lids are not locking or anything. It's pretty stainless steel. We got, which of course will get promptly scratched. Oh, that's kind of interesting. These are tiered. So one lid will work with multiple pots and pans. Of course, that limits you to 2 lids. See, like a small sauce pot. So yeah, there you can see the overhang. Pot number 2. Yep. Size number 3. Yep, that lid sits flush on it. Oh, I see. They give you little felt patties to put between each one. Those skid pot protectors. And then we have this big one here. So they come with 1, 2, you get 3 for the biggest ones. Looks like. Cool. Biggest one in here. And then we should be able to take this guy, set him in there, take the next size. There. Works. Cool. This was the induction 10-piece set. Includes a 10-inch skillet fry pan, skillet stock, pot lid, lid that fits all the saucepans, a 1.5 quart saucepan, 2 quart saucepan, 3 quart saucepan, and 5-quart stock pan, 2 removable handles, and 2 non-skid pot protectors, and bungee cord storage. Now the question is, will they fit in any of our drawers? And then we got some extra stuff here. We got the colander and saute pan. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and that's what you get. That's the saucepan. It claims it nests underneath. So it claims it fits right there, and it appears to fit right there. Cool. Okay, before I close it up, I'm going to get the colander out and see how well it fits. Okay, one colander. That, you got a handle. Looks pretty nice. Bottom of the set, supposedly. Oh yeah, that fits that guy just fine. Okay. The entire set is about 8.5 inches, so it should fit in that cabinet just fine. Yeah, that cabinet's 10 inches. Here's how it'll work. Okay, so now we can start work on the windows out there. Get them covered before the sun gets here. There are those windows cleaned. That one got welding damage, so it's still pretty spotty. After lunch, we're going to put the film on it later. We're gonna get out what we have left of the decorative film. We're going to cut first set of pieces, and we're hoping there is still about 4 feet of material left on this, because that is what we're going to need to do to at least get the 2 windows on the starboard side done, and we'd be able to do a couple of the panes over there. Let's see, 19.5. Okay, you saw the prep inside. Jeanne is doing the outside prep. I'm seeing things that have surface tension, what I want to go and do. This way, if there's any dust on this guy, hopefully we're sweeping it off. Now do your wetting. Since it is pouring down rain outside, we can't do window film. We'll take a look at our teak we're going to put in the bathroom shower pan area. Oh, I see it. There's a whole little plastic grid underneath it. That's pretty cool. Yep. Yeah, looks nice. Yep.
So there's 10 pieces of those. Here, show me the back again.
So 10 square feet. Material is 5/8. Total height is 1 inch with the plastic. Cool. Yeah, pretty cool. We're going to open up the power sprayer. It's going to get permanently mounted in the boat. We're going to mount it. We'll show you in a moment, but it's going to be in the wet locker up high. Hopefully we're going to get it mounted here shortly. Temporarily we'll run a hose and power to it so we can use it tomorrow because the boat desperately needs to be cleaned. Oh, and it would be nice to have this out of our garage at home since our garage at home is a total and complete disaster.
And Bill's going to organize it and get rid of all kinds of stuff and sell the CNC machine while I'm gone.
That's right. Anyway, there it is. There's a picture of it. Grand Falls.
I don't think
Plus.
you heard a word I said.
No, yeah, Grand Falls Pressure Washer Plus. So it has a reel that rolls up and everything. So hopefully this will be, we won't have that silly cart that we drug around all the time. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. So instructions. Looks like
Does it wind itself back up?
I don't know if it's a power, I assume it's a power winder or somehow you get it to go back on. Yeah, like a quick connect. Oh, looks like you got bit storage there. Oh, that's nice. Let's see, got pressure control. Oh yeah, there's 3 bits. Yeah, I'm not going to take them out of the package. Then the filter screen for the hose, and so, some big bolts. I don't think those bolts are going to work for us. We may have to get some through bolts someplace. Oh, and a little leveler and a drain hose. Well, that's going to be interesting. I wonder what a drain hose does. We have to rig up a drain hose. Looks like a soap dispenser. And a little clean out your tips if they get clogged. Come in here, and there is the beast. Got the gun as a safety.
Looks like a shotgun.
Yeah, it's like, oh, hose. They give you a small hose to hook up. There's grab handles. Cool. That was nice. Okay. So there's the end that screws on. Oh, and there's the automatic stop. So it looks like it is powered. Got a GFI on it, which is good. Handles I was talking about. It's a little smaller than I was expecting.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder if that's your roll up and open or something. So, and the true question is, how do you mount the silly thing?
Right there.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's pretty cool. So, oh, and that plate, I see the plate. Well, I see some screws, but
This is held on.
Oh, okay.
It must fall.
yeah, no, I just got to twist it. Yeah. Ooh, well, the only problem with that means you got to have enough room above it to put it on. So it's going to be a little lower in the room than we were wanting. I was wanting it up close to the top.
Okay.
Oh, I think I missed. Come on. Where is your groove? Oh.
Is that in the groove?
It's in the groove. Yeah.
All right, let's go wash the boat.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning. So it is Saturday, August 19th, and Bill is outside washing the boat. He found a job for me inside, so I don't have to be outside in the heat. Awesome husband. So I am running electrical Cat 5 wire for Wi-Fi and a couple of cameras. So Bill's taking me to urgent care. We're gonna find out if I just sprained or broken my ankle. Oh my gosh. Go. Don't worry anything. He's carrying me in a luggage cart. Do I feel silly? Absolutely yes. One, for spraining my ankle this bad or breaking it, and then also riding this luggage cart. At least my toes look pretty. Oh, no. I haven't put weight on my foot yet, and it's not hurting me just like this, but I don't know. I don't know what is going on. Okay, let's see this. Getting into the car, maneuver.
I can get behind you, lift you. Okay.
Well, that wasn't too bad. I don't think anybody saw us. Plus, we're the new kids on the block here at this marina. Now they think we're really weird.
Having fun yet?
Does that look better?
I mean, I definitely think it's gone down some. Can you show off your sexy new footwear? Yeah. There you go. She has a boot on with inflation capability, and look at the
Get a ski boot.
peekaboo. It's a peekaboo boot with the little toesies sticking out. So right now it's diagnosed as a severe sprain. The radiologist on Monday will make the final determination. Later.